Beth here with Aspire Insurance Group. Hey, we have run into over the last 2 weeks two very interesting situations. Both are in commercial insurance. One has to do with a commercial auto fleet, and the other has to do with a townhome association. It's two accounts, and both accounts came to us, totally separate accounts, nothing to do with each other. The same situation, they had other quotes. And in both of these situations, they were quotes from companies that we have contracts with, quotes that we had already approached that company, and the company had declined the quotes for very specific reasons. And so we had moved on and we're looking at other markets. And when we dug in a little further with both cases, both of these accounts were quoted with companies that they did not get underwriting approval. They did not quote properly. They were entering incorrect information, and had the client chose to go with these with the quotes, they would have been really in a bad situation, because they would have left their previous coverage with coverage that would have actually not been approved and not met the underwriting guidelines. And then they would have been facing a cancellation and a shuffle to get insurance that would be acceptable. And so we did the legwork. We showed the clients the declines. We ran things up through management and really did what we could to make sure the client knew that we had done our due diligence. But all that just goes to show that it's really important to make sure in this day and age that you are going with an agency that is trusted. And there's a variety of ways that you can vet out a good quality agent. I would start out by for sure looking at Google reviews to see what the experience of the clients have been with that agency. But in comments, we're going to list some other questions that you can ask to help vet out if an agency is reputable and if they're worth giving your trust to.